Hello children, welcome to the English class. In today's class, we will learn about one of the writing skills, paragraph writing. Our topic is paragraph writing. The ability to write a successful paragraph begins with how to write a strong paragraph. In today's lesson, we will learn about its structure and some of the techniques. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is the smallest unit of prose composition. It may be defined as a group of sentences related to a single topic. Every form of prose composition, for example, letters, essays, stories, should be divided into paragraphs. The most important aspect of writing a paragraph on a certain topic is to have a thorough knowledge of the topic itself. Let us see the format of a paragraph writing. Format means pattern or setup of writing a paragraph. You know, children, paragraph writing is just like a hamburger. Yes, a hamburger. On the top of the bun, we have the topic sentence, which is the main idea of the paragraph that tells us that what the paragraph is all about. Then we have supporting sentences. These supporting sentences give us details related to the main idea. And then at the end, we have the concluding sentence. The concluding sentence sums up the main idea of the paragraph. All these supporting sentences and the concluding sentence form the content of the paragraph. Let's see some of the tips on writing paragraphs. First of all, unity of thoughts. The first sentence is the key sentence in a paragraph. It should introduce the central topic. Central topic means the main idea. The last sentence should round off the idea expressed in the paragraph. Round off means to conclude. A paragraph should deal with only one central idea. The ideas need to be developed in a logical order. They must flow neatly between the paragraphs. Second tip on writing a strong paragraph is use linking words. Use linking words to achieve the effect of unbroken continuity. That means the reader should be able to see how each of the sentences connected to the topic sentence. For example, the words hence, so, therefore, but, and, or, and then will connect the sentences and make the paragraph a well-knit whole. That means weave sentences together to create a cohesive paragraph. Use expressions like on the other hand, on the contrary, nevertheless, but, yet, and still to contrast ideas or present alternatives. Repetition of thoughts should be avoided. To summarize, a paragraph is a group of sentences that center around one idea or meaning. Paragraph writing is important because paragraphs are building blocks for writing longer essays, articles, and stories. Just like a good story has a beginning, a middle, and an end, So does a good paragraph. A relevant quote would always be the icing on the cake. The icing on the cake is a phrase that means an attractive addition. First, introduce the topic, then explain the topic, and finally conclude the topic. Sample paragraph. Nature. Natural world is immensely beautiful. It has amazing mountains, rivers, oceans, seas, and flora. Different species of plants and animals make up the ecosystem. Nature supports life. It helps us to live a healthy life. It gives us basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. Nature has variety of beautiful flowers, colorful fish, sky, rivers, mountains, seas, and many other things. All these things of nature are very useful and we must conserve them. We can support nature by not polluting the environment. If we protect nature today, then Mother Nature will certainly protect us and our future generation. We will continue learning more about paragraph writing in our next class. That's all for today. Have a great day.